Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chevy Perez. And I think I've got a fun one for all of us today. Today we're going to do an unboxing of our brand new Ninja Swirl by CREAMi. And with this one, it actually does a little bit more than we could used to do in the older CREAMis that used to have only scoopable ice cream. This one has an added feature to it. And with this one we get to actually do swirl ice cream, which is soft serve ice cream, very similar to like restaurants have. So I'm excited to give it a try. So we're going to do an unboxing of it today. We'll take it through all of its parts, and then we're actually going to make some high protein ice cream in it. So we're going to use some Jello, and then we're going to use a core power to create our first ice cream in it. So stick around and we'll be right back to start unboxing it.
Morning sun is on my face, riding through this open space. Bellevue by my side, living life with arms spread wide. Chevy Perez on your screen, living large, chasing dreams. Adventures to the grind, finding joy in every find.
All right, I just finished taking everything out of the box, and I'm just taking off the last bit of packaging here. So let's take a look at everything that we have with inside of the box. So we'll get started with some of the manuals that comes with it. The very first thing that it has is this quick start guide. And inside of it, it gives you some really quick ideas on how to get up and move in very quickly with your new CREAMi Swirl. You get some information here, how to set it up, some different types of ice creams that it can make inside of it, how to do the spinning. So yeah, we'll definitely want to take a look at that before the first time you use it. The next thing we have is some important safety instructions. Don't forget to read all your safety instructions before you begin using this machine. Then it comes with a get started with a soft serve, easy vanilla soft serve ice cream recipe. So it gives you some information here how to make your very first ice cream if you want to make a full-fledged ice cream in it. Gives you some ways to actually personalize your ice cream, to maybe put in some mix-ins in it to do that. And then it comes with this recipe guide of over 30 delicious recipes. So let's take a quick look at some of the things inside of here. So it again starts off with, here's everything about your Ninja CREAMi Swirl. It gives you again some different things that you can make with inside of your swirl. Tells you all the different parts that you'll have that we'll go over here in a second. And then as you get into it, it actually gives you some different recipes that we're going to get inside of here. So for example, if we just go through here, we got the easy vanilla soft serve. Again, this is that basic vanilla ice cream that it has. Then we get chocolate soft serve ice cream. That one looks yummy. Then we might have some chocolate peanut butter soft serve. Another good looking one. Classic classic tart frozen yogurts. Some more frozen yogurt inside this, a chocolate hazelnut. Some strawberry kiwi fruit whip, so you can do fruit whips inside of this. You can do some protein soft serve, so this one's a peppermint mocha protein. Over here we have a strawberry cheesecake ice cream protein, and it just has some different ingredients that you can use with it, and some more ideas of what all you can do with it. So there's a lot of different things that you can do, and again, we're going to put it through the test here in a little bit of our first time of using it. So some other things that you get with it, right when you first opened up the box, it comes with this drip tray. Then it had a separate box that had the containers that you use. This is where you'll mix your ingredients that you'll have, and then you'll freeze them for at least 24 hours. So you'll just put everything in there, and we'll do that here in a little bit. Then we actually have the CREAMi itself. So here's everything that we have with this. So I'm going to move some of this stuff aside so we can sort of see it. So we push the button there to be able to disengage. That allows us to pull back our container that we have. And then there's a button here that you push to actually open it up. And then inside has the paddle wheel that you use inside of it. So this is the creamerizer that actually you put inside of here. So you take this out. To be able to put this in here, this actually slides over just a little bit like that, so it unlocks it. So you push it back, it unlocks. You put your creamerizer blade right into it. And then once you make your ingredients in here, you would actually take this and you would actually put this in here. And then you put this top back on. And then you're going to lock it into place. And then once it's locked into place, you'll put that back in there, and then you'll choose the different settings. So let us get ready. We're going to make this, and then we're going to try it out, and we'll see how everything looks. So be right back. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make our very first protein ice cream in this machine. Now, I'm going to use the container that comes with it. The first thing I do notice is that this container is quite a bit smaller than the previous versions of these ice cream makers, but that's okay. We normally would never fill up the full containers of anything before when we ever used it, so I think this will be just the perfect size for 2 people. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our Core Power Fairlife Protein, 14 ounces. I found that this is the best consistency to be able to do that. So we're going to use one of these, and then we're going to use some sugar-free Jell-O pudding mix. And we're going to put in like 1 tablespoon, maybe 2, depending on how much you want, and then we're going to mix it all together. So let's get started on putting this together. So we just dump that in there. And then we open up our Jell-O. Oops, make a mess. And then we just put in however much we want. So we'll put in, just like I said, a little over a tablespoon inside of here. And then we are going to whisk it up. And once we get this whisked up, we will put this into the freezer for 24 hours. So we'll see you back here tomorrow, and then we'll get finished on everything and see how this thing works.
Many unbearable hours later.
All right, it's been a little over 24 hours, and so I let this sit out for just a few minutes. Let's take a look at it. So it is frozen. Notice there is a hump in the middle of it. That happens sometimes when it's frozen. So what we'll do is we'll just scrape that down before we actually put it into the machine. So I'll do that here in a minute. I did want to just mention a couple other things about the machine. You'll notice there's a QR code here. This one gives you some tips and stuff and a quick start guide. It has videos on how to use the unit. I'm going to have to take that off before the first time we use it because controls are behind it. There's also another QR code down here that gives you some more tips on how your soft serve part goes if you have any questions or things about that. So we'll be right back as soon as I file this down just a little bit. All right, so you can see I got this leveled off a little bit more this time. So what we're going to do is we put our container, the frozen mixture, inside of our container here. So it goes in, it can only go in one way. So it fits in there just like that. Then we take the second part, it has that paddle wheel in it. Going to take that part off. Already got that locked into place. Then you make sure that these lines line up. Then you lock that into place. And then you put that on here. And then you turn it up to lock it into place. And we'll turn it on. And it asks us what kind we're going to do. If we're going to do soft serve or if we're going to do scoopable. This time we're going to do a soft serve ice cream. And because we are doing the protein one, we are going to choose the light ice cream. So once I click this, it should start, and it'll be going for however long it needs to go. So let's take a look at this. All right, right, so let's take a look to see how this is. So we push this button to disengage it, and we pull it out, and we just sort of do the reverse of what we did before. We push this to open it up, take a look at it. It's looking pretty good. Let's see. That's probably the consistency I think we want. This is sort of interesting because in the older models, we had to respin it a number of times. So I'm thinking this looks pretty good, so I don't think we need to respin it. So what we do next is we take it out of this container, and then we take the number 2. So let's take this off of here. I've already washed this. And supposedly this goes on, and it locks in place. And then what you need to do is you need to take this with the blue part, lock it in up here, and you're supposed to keep turning it until this turns up here at the top so that it's opened up. So there's an open and closed with that. So we'll be right back. I've got some ice cream cones, so let me go get those and we'll give this a shot. All right, so I've got my ice cream cone. So supposedly what we do next is we should just be able to hold this underneath this and then pull down on this lever. This has 3 different speeds, so we'll try to go pretty slow to begin with, and we'll fill up the cone and try to swirl it. It's the first time I've ever tried this, so I'm not gonna be very good at it, but let's give it a shot, see how it goes. And I don't know how long it'll take before it actually starts pushing it through here, but let's see. Here's some stuff. And it says it could have some bubbles or something in there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. And then you just sort of swirl it around. Oops, I'm not very good at this.
No, you're not. That's big enough. You're supposed to twirl it.
But there we go. So there's my first creamy ice cream.
That's my first creamy
There
ice
you
cream.
go. So
Yeah.
try it out and see what you think of it. Tell me if it's good or not.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good. So, again, this is the CREAMi Swirl by Ninja. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely give this a try. This is really cool. I think we're really going to like this. There'll be a product link down below if you want to give it a try. If you have any comments or anything, make sure you put them out there. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Morning sun is on my face, riding through this open space. Bellevue by my side, living life with arms spread wide. Chevy press on your screen.